Giving you a quick overview of this week. We're going to talk about the beginnings of the web, sort of looking where the first websites came from. And up on the top you see a GIF animation here I did for a blog called SonicNet. That was maybe 96 or so. And how a browser changed everything. Before, the web was there, but it was more for researchers. They even couldn't quite believe that you needed styling elements to make graphics and things like that. But a browser actually moved it to the consumer where they could watch the content. And much later, the iPhone made it mobile, and we could all of a sudden take it with us. It wasn't just a desktop, and it also a lot of more people had access to it. If you didn't have a computer, you could have like a whole new generation started using the web by using only the mobile phone. Looking at some of the old websites, like MTV was one of the first ones. They really tried to push it really being there at first, and they did a splash page for the Beavis and Butthead show here. That was one of the first websites, and I'm talking about how people used the web at that time, and sort of the evolution of MTV reflects the whole change of how web became what we the conventions that we're using today. I have an interview with Manabu, who was the art director at MTV at that time. And this week we're also looking at just some examples of really cool looking websites that might take a little bit to load, and how there's some like a balance you have to strike of being really pretty and cool and fascinating, like this one here, but it has a lot of information to look at. It's kind of confusing if you just come here for information. Well, this is an entertainment website, so okay, that's a different story. But I'm looking also at other ones that are less fancy and less bandwidth heavy as this one, that are just very plain and give you the information that you need. And there's a balance you have to strike between usability and user interface design, and we'll talk about that, how we can learn how to learn how to design in both ways, that it's entertainment and it's pleasureful, but it's also user-friendly and gets you the information that you're looking for quickly. So looking forward to week 1, and here you go, watch the videos. See you later.